Okay, so last time on like part 6, I think we went through Werner Werman. Like we just did 2 boss battles. Werner Werman, Claw Maria. We did like a running gun, and yeah, we're almost about done with the game and stuff. And yeah, so like and yeah, from last time, like there was only one more boss for Inkwell Isle 3. And I decided to save it for like until like we beaten the rest of the bosses because we unlocked this area and stuff. And it's called Railroad Raft: The Phantom Express. And we basically just go through like a spooky forest and stuff with like ghosts and like yeah, we basically just go through a whole train and stuff. And yeah, I decided to save this one because we unlocked it and stuff, and I wanted to beat all the bosses because it seems like when you beat the boss, you get to unlock like the casino and stuff. So yeah, now this is like I said, this is like the final boss for like Inkwell Isle 3, and yeah, and then we just go to the casino, and I think we're supposed to fight King Dice and then the final boss, the devil and stuff, and then we're about done with the game and stuff. And I think like the last hidden coin is supposed to be like at the casino and stuff, because I actually want to get the twin heart because that's the last thing I need to get like at Porgrim's like shop and stuff. So yeah, the Railroad Raft. So yeah, let's just do this. I tried to I played this a little bit like when I unlocked it, and then I just decided to save it later and stuff because you know. Anyways, now we are back, and I'm sure we can do this now. So and we basically have to like move like this this rail we're on right now, and then we have to. Oh jeez. Oh geez. Okay, hold on. Alright, so. Alright. Alright, we can just stand here sometimes. And then we can't get like this pumpkin and stuff to like hit. Okay. Okay. Jeez, okay. Yeah, I'm not even gonna... Oh, jeez, okay. Alright, this is taking a long time, okay. Hey, can you stop, like, shooting your eyes at me? Like, on your... Okay. Alright, here we go, finally. I was 2 HP. Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Just stands. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Okay. You know, I'm gonna change my shot B like to just roundabout because I'm sure that's gonna be helpful because it does like maximum damage and stuff. So. All right. Let me just. Yeah, there we go. Alright. Alright, there we go. Let's do it. Alright, I'm sure we can do this time, so. Yeah, and for the first phase, we can't, like, let, like, those pumpkins with those parry, like, lines, like. Okay. Come on, don't. Okay, okay. on. Okay. Okay. Dude! You know, here, hold on, let me just... I could just... So that I could get closer. Oh, jeez. Okay. Or, you know what? Bad idea. Bad idea. This is... Dude, okay. Hold on. The pumpkins with the parry light bars and stuff, like, they'll drop them, like when it, like, hits, like, you know. Dude, I tried it! You know what? Might as well not just worry about them right now, because it just makes me lose HP more, so. But I do have to, like, get them to not, like... Okay. I'm just gonna use, like, my roundabout, like, on the second phase. Where I suppose it's like the skeleton conductor. Nope. Yeah, I just don't. Jeez, he has a lot of health. Get out of here! Never mind. Alright, there we go. Alright, then we're just gonna use the... Gee, what? Okay, let's see. Gee, what? Okay. Oh, gee, okay. Alright, there we go. Okay, we did it. Okay. Oh, jeez. Okay, hold on. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Okay. Okay. Alright, got rid of that one. Okay. I'm just gonna stay on this side. Okay. Alright, there we go! Oh, and... Okay. Oh, gee! Wait, he's... What happened? Oh, jeez! Okay, he turned alive! Okay, wait, do we have to... Oh! Oh, jeez. Oh, God! Oh, gee, what is happening? What? Okay! What a glorious night for me to bring the freight! Okay. I saw, like, little bones on the ground, like, on, like, the rail and stuff. So it seems like we have to avoid those as well, like, focus on the ground as well. But it seems like we have to parry, like, his bottom. Okay, hold on. We have to parry, like, his bottom, I guess, and... Like the parries on this one just makes me lose HP more, like, faster. Gee, okay. Like, it's literally just eyes that make it, like, more, like, longer, like, to be like him. Get out of here. Okay. There we go, okay. Alright. Alright, let's see, where is he going? Alright. Oh jeez, no! Okay. Hey. Okay. Oh jeez. Alright, there we go. What did I get hit by? Or was it the parry bar? I bet it was. Okay. I'm gonna just... Like, I think it's... Oh jeez. Can't get me. I'm gonna just get rid of you. Well, that didn't help. Oh god, okay. Got rid of that one. God, get out, okay. What? Sorry, this strain is only for the dead, but we can help you with that. It was that dang ghost. It was that dang ghost. But seriously, what are they? Like, are they just like... I don't even know, though. Come on, no. Okay. Dude! Look, like, this is actually easy. I'm just worrying about, like, just standing still and just shooting and stuff. Like, the phases are actually easy and stuff. It's just, like, the last phase and stuff. Like... And I don't have time to, like, actually shoot the enemy because, like, he's just shooting the eyeballs at me. Oh jeez. So the pumpkins will just drop like those like parry bars like when like it's like when you have to parry these and stuff. So. Oh jeez. Ah! No! 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 Oh. Okay then. Oh jeez. Okay. Ah! Duh! Oh, okay, thank god. Okay. Ow! Okay. No. Okay. You know what? Yeah, it's just safe to like see what's about that. Okay. Ah! There we go. can't look. Jesus, okay. Let's go! Alright. That took me, like, not a long time, but at least I did it. Let's go! I didn't even worry about the parries that much, so, yeah. Yeah, only one parry. Alright, let's see my grade. B-. Okay, a brand new record. It always says a brand new record. I don't know why. But yeah, anyways, let's go. Alright. Alright, and... Alright, the Phantom Wait, so that's the whole, like, train? Like, does the whole express, like, own their soul to the devil? Like the eye ghost, like the conductor, like those two whatevers. And, like, the train? Do they all, like... I suppose so, since it says the whole Phantom Express. But yeah, we finally unlocked the casino. Inkwell Hell. Alright, let's do this. Alright. After like 7 parts, or just 6 parts, 6 to 7 parts, we finally unlocked Inkwell Hell. And this is where we fight King Dice, and then we unlock the Devil's Office, I guess. But yeah, the coin is supposed to be right here. High Roller. What does that mean? Hold on, wait. Oh wait, yeah. Get every coin in the game. Every single coin. I got every single coin. But I suppose that King Dice is going to be hard because I saw some gameplays and stuff of people just playing the game. And for King Dice, it's basically like a little game, like where you have to pair like the dice he like reveals and stuff, and then it could like be a 1 or a 2 or a 3, and then if it like hits like one of the numbers and stuff on like that little thing and stuff, you'll basically fight one of his like little mini bosses and stuff. And then if you actually die from one of those, you actually have to start it all over again, which sucks because it might be hard. So yeah, but anyways, and also like once you get to like the last boss, like it'll just be him and stuff. Like you have to like pair like some of the dices that are alright. But anyways, the Twin Heart, and then we get the achievement Butter and Eggman. And I think it means that you like get all like the stuff like from, you know. So yeah, we actually got all the coins now. Nice. Alright, but anyways, let's just... You know what, maybe we are gonna need, like, the giant ghost for this, maybe. Alright, but anyways, yeah, the Twin Heart, I'm sure it gives us, like, 7 HP, I think? I thought at first it would be, like, just give you, like, a 5 HP, I think? I don't know, but anyways. Yeah, so we're just gonna do King Dice since, like, this video was only, like, what, like, oh, sorry, I accidentally dropped my controller, but, yeah. We're just gonna play King Dice and stuff and see how long it takes us. Since like this video right now is just only like almost 20 minutes long and stuff, and I just like to make like different kinds of gameplays like SpongeBob and stuff, like just like an hour and stuff, because why the heck not? Anyways. But yeah, I'm sure we're gonna need the Twin Heart for this one because I'm sure this is gonna be very hard. But anyways, the casino. All bets are off. King Dice. Let's see what this is like. Well, looky here. You actually pulled it off, but you made me lose a bet. And for that, you ain't seen the boss just yet. We're gonna play a little game first. Alright, stop moving your fingers like that. I mean, like it looks like he looks like with those fingers that he's literally just going to capture our kid and put him in the basement. Because that's what all, like, kidnappers do. Like, go this. Alright, but anyways. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I was right. We get 5 Pikachu. Okay. Boom. Alright, we get 1. Alright, then. So, let's see who we're gonna fight next. Or first. Oh, what? Okay, then. Oh, jeez. Ah! Oh, God. Okay. I'm just gonna get... Oh, okay. Oh. No, Jesus. Okay. Oh. Oh, okay. Gee, okay. Gee, okay, hold on. Look. I just need... Okay. Wait, do you also restart when you retry? You have to start over if you retry? Yes, we do. Okay. Alright, so... Okay. Alright, but it seems like that, like, here, like, where I'm pointing. It seems like if you, like, pick safe and stuff, like, you basically, you basically move on and stuff. And for this one, right here, I better hope I do not hit that, and we basically just start over. And then this one, we battle King Dice himself. So, I'm just gonna try to get, Dang it, okay. Okay, we're just gonna have to deal with it. Let's just do this. And then we just battle the devil maybe in the next part, and then we're about done with this game. Wow, okay. Alright. Haha, take that. Haha. Yeah, I just got... Wait, can I? No. Oh, wait, I can't. Okay. Dude, okay. Hey, look. Look, I usually just, like, just stand there and just shoot and stuff, so, like, I just need to keep moving around and stuff, like... Or just use my roundabout, so it makes it better. Okay. But I actually want to... Okay. Dang it, okay. Alright, but... I think, like, some of these, like... I think some of, like, the ones, like, you hit and stuff, like, when you roll, like, parry the dice and stuff. Okay. Yeah. Jesus, okay. Can't, like, just stand there or anything. Jesus, okay. Gee, look, okay. Alright, got rid of one of them. Gee, okay. Gotta just... Okay! You're sleeping. It's off. You look a little rough. Okay. Look, I'm just standing there sometimes and just shooting. I just need to like move around like them. Okay. But I actually just like try to like hit like threes and stuff. Okay. Yeah, this one right here, like it will give you like a heart. If it has a heart right there, like that means you get a heart. Okay, but anyways. I always get a 1. I always get a 1. But that's fine. That's fine. I actually want to see, like, all the casino bosses now. Well, I actually want to make this fast, so maybe I'll just try to get 3 still. So, I just really hope I don't get those start over. I don't know if, like, if you hit the start over, like, you have to, like, do it all again. Like, have to fight the bosses again. I just really hope not. Ah! Get out of here. Okay, why did I just stand there? Okay. Jeez, okay. Aha, I got rid of one of you. Now for you! You are quite annoying. Seems like we're like in like a diner or something, like because of these drinks or something. I don't know. Alright, let's go! Alright, I just have to like keep moving around and stuff so that... Or like, if you die like and you beat a casino boss, do you have to like fight it again? I just really hope not, because I'm gonna be very mad if I do have to do that. So, yeah. My main goal for this one is I just want to try to hit 3 so this could be more faster. Or just like get the save, because... That was a 2! Forget it. Okay. Alright, what is this one? Oh, okay then. Wait, what? Jeez. Whoa, 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 wait, what? Oh, jeez, I do not like that. Take this! Oh, yeah. That's not out. Jeez, I do not like that. So all we have to do for this one is just like... Alright. So all we have to do for that one is just like see where like half of him is like going and stuff, and then just like, yeah. So, okay. Right now I actually want to get like 3 so that I can like get some health a little bit, so. Alright. I just really hope we don't have to like fight these bosses again if we like die. Alright, 3! Let's go! Okay. Alright, moved on to 4. Let's see what 4 is like. Alright, I actually got a 3, so thank God. Alright, anyways. Let's see what the 4 is like. Oh, gee, what is a dice couple? Or no, like a domino couple? Wait, what? Oh, jeez. Jeez, okay. Gee, what? Okay. Okay. Come on. Let's go! Okay. Just not gonna try to hit. Okay. Man, poor dude. Anyways, okay. Now I got 1 HP left, so this is great. Oh yeah, I still have the... Okay. Alright, so... Great. Okay. Now I can just use my... Alright, let's see what this is like. Wait, what's up? Oh, jeez. What is this one? Wait, what? What? What is it? And presto! The Cuphead has completely disappeared. Okay. What just happened? Okay. Okay. Do I still have to... Do I have to fight the casino bosses again? Like, if I die, like... Please don't tell me I have to... Forget it. It's fine. It's fine. Alright, 2 this time. Okay. Moving on to the... Like, the stack up, like, you know, like those things. I can't remember what it was called, but yeah. Move on to that guy. Alright. You could just literally just... Oh, wait, I can't. Okay. Jeez! Okay. Okay. Probably just stand here most of the time. Let's go, okay. Okay, I got 3 HP. Let's just hope we can survive with that. Okie dokie, let's just leave the... Alright. We clear that one. Okay. Alright, 2 again. Alright, save, save. Let's go, let's go. Our first save. Alright, 3. Alright, health up, let's go. Oh, I didn't know that was also a health up. Alright, anyways. Wait, what the heck? Oh, it's an airplane one. Oh, God. Oh, gee, what? Oh, jeez. Oh, God. Gee, okay. Wait, one minute. Just hit that one. Alright, let's go! Not which... Oh, at least then, like, maybe... Okay, I don't even know what, like, this one is supposed to be, like, what even is it, like... Okay. Let's just hope I get my health up again. Okay. Alright. There we go, okay. We're almost finished with this one. Like, okay. Grade of 1. Okay, we're safe! We're safe, actually! Okay, nice. We're skipping some of the bosses, but that's fine. I don't even want to deal with him anyways. Okay, 2. Alright, 8. What is 8 like? I'm kind of worried about 8 now because I feel like the more casino bosses I beat, like the other casino bosses I'm ready to fight are gonna be more harder. What is it? Oh, God, okay, it's an... What? Oh! Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez, what? I just want to... Gotta... Take this! Jeez, okay. Do not die. No! No! Okay. Don't... What? Let's go! Okay! And he's just throwing up ink, I guess. Okay, please let there be another health up, because I do not want to die, because I am so close. I swear to God, if I still hit that start over, I'm going to be mad. I'm going to scream. Alright. I'm gonna try to get a 1 now. I'm gonna try to get a 1. Dude, okay. I swear to God, if I get a 1, I'm going to be mad. 2, okay. Oh, God, here we go! Here we go! Jeez. Oh, wait. Come on. I'm not going to die now! No! So clever, so dapper. You better believe this dice is loaded. Hi-yo! Shut up! I did all that and I died. Okay. My guess is I'm just not gonna... Okay. Alright, 3, let's go. Alright, moving on to 3, okay. Wait, isn't it supposed to be the magic bunny? Like the... Is that supposed to be like the magician bunny?
Here's a real high-class...
Oh, wait, what? Who is this guy? Oh, jeez. What the heck? Oh, God. Wait, what? Oh, jeez. Oh, God. Wait, is he supposed to be like some cigarette or... Oh, jeez. He's coming. Okay, I've never beaten him before, but... Okay. Just don't... Oh, God. Oh, and... I just don't want to hit, like, these cigarettes, like... Trust me, I'm... Okay. Jeez, okay. Jeez, how much are you gonna... And, of course, I lost almost all my health! I wasn't paying attention there. Come on. Oh, then he's moving on here. Okay. Come on. I'm not gonna... Alright, there we go. Oh, and the King Dice is just murdering it. Okay, then. That is brutal. Wait, what is this taking place in? Like, hell? Maybe? Because, like... I don't even know. Okay. Of course, I lost almost all my health. Great. Okay, not gonna use... Okay. I just want to get 3s now. Or maybe just a 2 so that I can get my health. Alright, let's go. I think 4 is supposed to be like that... Like the couple, like the domino couple. Or like the horse or something. Alright, it is the domino couple. Oh, he's moving now. Ah! I'm not even gonna try to... Yep, maybe now. Ah! Ah! Jeez! Okay. Hey, get out of here. Yeah, get out of here. Go to Twitter. That's where you belong. Let's go! Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, they are breaking up after this. Because the girl is disappointed in the boy. Okay, that sounds wrong. Okay. Alright, I just want another health up right now. Okay. Might take me a while. So. Let's go! 3! And then we're safe. Let's go. Okay. Then another 3, we just get 9. So, I don't know what 9 is, so. Oh! And would you look at that? I got it right. Another 3. Nice. Actually doing good. Well, it's kind of easy a little bit, like... I forget it. Okay. Wait, what the heck is this one? Wait, what? Oh, wait. Is this what... Oh, wait, is this... Oh, is this supposed to be, like, guessing or something? What? Oh, gee, oh, God. Okay, gotta... What? Ah! Monkey see! Monkey doomed! Or doom. Okay, Alright, so for that one, like, the last one is supposed to be, like, a claw machine monkey. I don't know who's controlling it, maybe King Dice himself. But for that one, we basically just have to, like, parry, like, a card and stuff so that we could get 2 of them right. You know, like that card and, like, card game. Alright. Alright, health up! Nice! Alright, 6 HP! Wow, I never got that much HP before. Okay. Yeah, I can't believe we're actually almost done with this game. I just finished SpongeBob SquarePants Battle for Heating Body Rehydrated. Oh, yeah, it's this one. Okay. You. Okay. I just don't want to hit these cigarettes, because, like, when I'm, like... Okay, going pets, okay. Okay. He'll basically just go side to side and stuff, like platform to platform. Oh, God. Okay. Yeah, I can't use the roundabout for this one, I guess. Come on, just die already. Let's go! Didn't even have a chance to, like, go... Yeah. Alright. Didn't lose that many health. Like, just only 1 HP, so... Okay. I just really hope I can do this time. So, like, when we fight King Dice, we basically just have to pair, like, the cards that are, like, pink and stuff. Because, you know, parries and stuff. Alright, 3! Nice, okay. Like 5, which I think it's supposed to be like that horse or the magician bunny. Like those are my 2 guesses. Like, oh, it's a magician bunny. Okay, hold on, let me just use my. Wait! What? What the heck was that? What is this one? What? Wait, do I have to like quickly like? Dude, stop with this one! Stop! I don't like that one! Oh, jeez. Okay. No, not this one! Huh? Dude! I'm on a car! Okay. No, not this one! Ah! God, I hate you for that one. No! Dude, this dude. Okay. Ugh! Take that. Just die. God, I hate you. Like, that, like, skull one. Oh, no. Wait! How is I supposed... And presto, I don't care! Like, what was I supposed to do there? Like, there's no... So for, like, the skull one, you have to, like, find the one that doesn't have a skull and, like a little hole, and you have to, like, quickly get out and stuff. Like, dude. Like, I hated that if you, like, die on one of the casino bosses, like, you literally have to do it all again. Yeah, I think this is supposed to be a cigarette or something. Like the cigarette dude or something. I don't know. Look, I don't know what these, like, casino bosses' names are. Oh, no, it's actually the stack. Okay. Sometimes I forget. Okay. Ah, we get it. Ah. Get something now. All I hear is just a bam, 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 bam. Like, seriously. Oh, gee, dude, bottom one. The stupid bottom one. Come on, just die already. Stop jumping. You're not winning. I hate the bottom one, like when it... Okay. That's what you sound like. Like, that's what you sound like. Like, stop. Shut up. Shut up. Okay. Alright. Okay, we're back here again. Wait, we're not even finding it yet, Cuphead. Stop it. Alright, there we go. 3. Alright, 4. The Magician Bunny. I think the Magician Bunny. The Magician Bunny. Or please do not be the Magician Bunny. Oh no, it's the... Keep forgetting. I keep forgetting. Yeah, I don't want you here. Okay, there we go. Yeah, poor man. I do not want to be in their relationship. Oh, dang it. Okay, at least I got a health up. Back to HP 5. That I originally had. For 20 hearts, so, you know. Okay. Let's see what is next. The Magician Bunny. Wow, I'm very happy that you're here. Not this. Oh. Alright, I know that now, so. What am I supposed? I accident. Okay. Dude, what am I supposed to do there? Like, there's no, like... Dude, stop doing this one. Hey, my God. Why? Why does that one have to exist? Oh, God. 2! My god, I swear to god if I die. Just please die. Yeah, I'm sure I haven't even defeated you yet. Like, yeah, I'm sure I haven't even defeated you. Yeah, I haven't even defeated you yet. Like, what? No! I accidentally jumped. See, I was even so close. Like, every time I beat, like, I almost beat a boss, I die. Like, it's so annoying. Like, okay. Just waiting. Alright, 2. Alright, health up. Okay, then. I did not know that, actually. So, alright, 6 HP. It's supposed to be the stack guy or something. You are quite annoying. Anyways.
Good day for a swell battle. Now go.
Shut up. Okay. All I hear is just like the banging and stuff. Like, not that. What? It's just that my jump is too high. Not today. At least there's no like extra like stuff trying to hurt me. No. But alright, there we go. And the hat falls. Very sad. That's the most saddest thing in this boss. Like, the hat falls. It's lonely now. Because its owner's dead. Okay. Alright. Alright, 3. Alright, the magician, or no, the domino couple. I'm gonna just call them that since I don't know their names. The domino couple. I like that, like the top one is like the man, like with the bow tie, and like the bottom one is just like the lady, and like it's the bow tie of like, you know. Like, is that supposed to be like one of those like fancy dices or something? I think. I'm not even gonna use like. Yeah, I'm not even gonna use my my giant ghost on this one because. Wait. Oh wait, no, I already had. Okay, but anyways, I gotta just. Alright. Alright, we did the domino couple again, and now we just have to... Okay. I just like to get 3s because it makes it faster. Imagine if I just really used, like, my... Alright, 2. Alright, health up, let's go. Back to 5 HP, so... Alright. Yeah, this might just take us a while because I'm gonna keep dying, and yeah. Oh great, it's the horse. Hold on, let me just... I don't think so. So it seems like those ones right there will be... Ah! Ah. Let's go, okay. Alright, at least I don't lose HP when, like, the knockout happens and stuff. Alright, 4 HP. We didn't lose that many health this time. Alright. Okay. Made past that. Okay, 2. Alright, health up. Let's go. Back to 5 HP once again. Alright. Sure, this is supposed to be like the 8 ball, like, or like the 8. I don't know. Oh, what is this one? What? 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 What's happening? What's it? Booties. I don't get this one. Like, ah! Wait, is it like she's supposed to be like one of the... I accidentally... Oh, jeez. No! God, she's actually quite annoying. I never actually seen it. Oh, okay. Come on, just die. No, no, no! Haha, you know this, my style is very Russian. So you're Russian? I don't know, but... Oh my gosh, I went all this way. I beat in Inkwell Isle 1, 2, 3. Like, trust me, I'm going to beat the dang game. Is the last thing I dang do. Hurry. Hurry. Well, at least it doesn't do it. Oh my god. Alright, you gotta get like... Alright. Dude! What? Let's go! Let's go! This took me about like, what, almost 2 hours, I think? I don't know how long it took me, but holy Jesus. Oh my god. My goodness. Jesus, almost 6 minutes. Oh my god. Look, I don't care if I get a B. I don't care if I get an F. I don't care if I... I'm just glad I beaten it. Like, that was hard. I told you guys it would take me a long time. Oh, Jesus. And now... the finale. One hell of a time. The devil. And you know what, guys? I'm just gonna like leave like the final boss until the final part, like they gave the next part, because you do not know how long it took me to beat this. Like almost 2 hours, I think. I think I started this video like around like 1 and stuff. So this video took me about 3 hours, and King Dice took me about like almost like 2 hours. I'm just like glad I beaten it. And I just sometimes when I play like different kinds of games, I just like to like leave like the final boss like for like the... I'm just gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want me to finish this game once and for all the stress I've been through, I think I'll do, and also all the screaming like saying let's go, I think you know what to do. Anyway, guys, for watching. PuggyPugsonYT now, and I'll see you guys next video. And yeah, like maybe the next part, like the final part, the finale. Yeah, we're just about, we're literally gonna be done with Cuphead, and we just finished SpongeBob SquarePants Battle for the Key Bar Rehydrated. So I'm literally about to like finish like 2. Forget it. I'm just ending the video right here. Peace out.